Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate Always On display on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to activate Always On display can be beneficial for quickly accessing important information on your device without having to unlock it. Always On displays typically show the time, date, notifications, and other useful information even when your device is locked or in standby mode. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open settings menu on your device. Well, after that scroll down and select lock screen and audio option. Well, so here find out Always On display, then turn it on like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to activate Always On display on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.